If you're looking to get fit at home, an exercise bike is a great choice to boost your cardio and stay active. In this video, we'll break down the best bikes, highlighting their unique features, pros and cons, to help you find the perfect match for your home workout space. But before we dive in, don't forget to check the links in the description below to find the current prices and special deals on each of these bikes. Prices can change, so be sure to grab the best offer before it's gone. Now let's get started and find the perfect bike to help you crush your fitness goals. Number 1. Schwinn IC4 Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. The Schwinn IC4 is an excellent option for anyone looking for a high-quality indoor cycling bike without the hefty price tag of some high-end models. It offers 100 levels of magnetic resistance, allowing you to adjust the intensity of your workout to meet your goals. Whether you're doing a light cardio session or an intense cycling workout, this bike can handle it. The Schwinn IC4 is compatible with popular fitness apps like Peloton and Zwift, giving you access to a vast library of classes and virtual rides. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily sync the bike with your devices for an enhanced workout experience. The large backlit LCD screen tracks essential metrics, such as time, distance, cadence, and calories burned, helping you monitor your progress. Comfort is key, and the Schwinn IC4 doesn't disappoint with an adjustable seat and handlebars, making it suitable for users of all heights. The 40-pound flywheel ensures a smooth and quiet ride, ideal for home use where noise might be a concern. Its compact and sleek design makes it easy to store, even in smaller spaces. Pros: 100 resistance levels for customizable intensity. Bluetooth compatibility with fitness apps, Peloton, Zwift, etc. Adjustable seat and handlebars for personalized comfort. Quiet operation due to the 40-pound flywheel. Cons: assembly required. No built-in workout programs beyond app integration. Larger footprint compared to other models. Number 2. Peloton Bike Plus. The Peloton Bike Plus is one of the most advanced and immersive indoor cycling bikes on the market. Featuring a 24-inch rotating touchscreen, it offers access to Peloton's extensive library of live and on-demand classes. These classes range from beginner-friendly to advanced, and the rotating screen allows you to follow a variety of workouts, from cycling to strength and yoga. What sets the Peloton Bike Plus apart is its auto-follow resistance technology. This innovative feature adjusts the bike's resistance automatically based on the instructor's cues, so you can focus entirely on your workout without worrying about manual adjustments. The bike also tracks key metrics such as cadence, resistance, heart rate, and output, giving you a comprehensive overview of your performance. Pros: 24-inch rotating touchscreen for live and on-demand classes. Auto-follow resistance technology for hands-free adjustments. Extensive workout library with various class types. Premium design and build quality. Cons: high price point, including a subscription fee. Requires a monthly subscription for full access. Large size, not suitable for small spaces. Not foldable. Number 3. Xterra Fitness FB 350 Folding Exercise Bike. The Xterra Fitness FB 350 is a solid option for those who need a functional exercise bike that's easy to store. Its compact, foldable design makes it ideal for smaller spaces, like apartments or home offices. Despite being a budget-friendly choice, it delivers a smooth, stable ride with 8 levels of manual resistance, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. The bike features a large, adjustable seat that provides comfort during longer sessions. The simple LCD display tracks key workout metrics, such as time, distance, calories burned, and heart rate, giving you the basics without overwhelming you with excessive features. Its lightweight design and built-in transport wheels make it easy to move and store when not in use. This model is perfect for beginners or anyone who prefers a no-frills bike that still offers a good workout. Pros: foldable design for easy storage in small spaces. 8 levels of manual resistance for varying workout intensity. Comfortable, adjustable seat. Simple LCD display for tracking basic metrics. Cons: limited resistance levels. Basic LCD display with no advanced features. Not suitable for high-intensity workouts or professional training. Assembly required. Number 4. Yosuda L010 Magnetic Exercise Bike. The Yosuda L010 is a highly rated upright exercise bike that offers a solid workout experience at an affordable price. It features 16 levels of magnetic resistance, allowing for a wide range of intensity options to suit your fitness level. Whether you're just starting out or are an experienced cyclist, this bike can accommodate your needs. The bike has a heavy-duty flywheel that ensures a smooth, quiet ride, even during more intense sessions. Its adjustable seat allows you to find the perfect fit for maximum comfort, and the bike's sturdy frame supports users up to 270 pounds. While it doesn't have the advanced tech features found in higher-end bikes, the Yosuda L010 excels in providing a basic, effective workout with a minimalistic design. Pros: 16 levels of magnetic resistance for customizable workouts, heavy-duty flywheel for smooth, quiet operation, adjustable seat for a comfortable ride, budget-friendly price. Cons: no Bluetooth connectivity or app integration, basic LCD display with limited features, requires assembly, no advanced features for higher-intensity workouts. Number 5. Exercice Folding Magnetic Upright Exercise Bike. The Exercice Folding Magnetic Upright Exercise bike offers a great combination of affordability, comfort, and space-saving design. It comes with 8 levels of magnetic resistance, making it suitable for a variety of workout intensities. This bike features a large, cushioned seat with back support, ensuring comfort even during longer sessions. Its foldable design is one of its main advantages, making it perfect for people with limited space. When you're finished with your workout, simply fold the bike and store it away. The built-in LCD display tracks essential workout metrics such as time, distance, calories, and heart rate, giving you everything you need to monitor your progress. The Exercice bike is also designed to accommodate users up to 300 pounds, which makes it accessible for a wide range of individuals. Its simple, straightforward design makes it ideal for people looking for a reliable bike that doesn't require much maintenance or tech setup. Pros: 8 levels of magnetic resistance for varied intensity, foldable design for easy storage, cushioned seat with back support for comfort, large LCD display tracks essential metrics. Cons: limited resistance levels, basic design with fewer advanced features. Assembly required. These exercise bikes offer a range of features to cater to different budgets and workout needs. Whether you're looking for the high-tech options like the Peloton Bike Plus or a compact, affordable choice like the Xterra Fitness FB350, there's an option for everyone. Check the links in the description for current prices and more details on each bike to find the best fit for your home gym.